Is this quiet or not? I don't know. I'm super quiet today. I think I put some in my lips too.
Este sueño necesité las ganas de vivir.
There we go.
So what is it that you're using now?
Is this? It calls. I forgot what it calls. Is it Girls in On, but it's Cover Girls. Oh. Oh. I need to pronounce this correctly.
Let me see.
It starts with O-L-A.
Olay.
Olay. So I'm done with that. We get some in my hands. So the next thing we're gonna use for my face is contour.
No, that's the powder. Pressed powder.
Pressed powder. I keep forgetting which one is it. It goes this way. And you know how I got it. So, oh, I got it. And we use this thing for the face.
The brush powder.
I know. I keep forgetting though.
That's to
there we go.
To press the makeup so the makeup won't be
like. I can't say it. Just don't.
Don't do that.
That's like it was a little too much, so I couldn't have a lot of too much.
Yeah, but you go like this.
And that's done. The next thing we're gonna use is, let's see.
Your eyes.
This is after.
That's the contour. No.
No.
Yeah, you don't need that. No.
No. Bye-bye.
You need to use your eyes.
Bye-bye, please. Okay. I'm gonna do also today, but I think tomorrow we're gonna do the video with the dress. Because tomorrow's gonna be raining. And I was like, no, because I wanted to go to Six Flags. But it says that on Wet phone. And let's go. Oh my god, how we open this? Oh, never mind, I got it. I'm not gonna use this little brushy. I'm getting this one because this is a purple one. Because I'm using that. The purple, I will use this kind of purple right here. So yeah. And yeah. Is that enough?
Rear-ended another car. They took the child to the hospital where he is in serious condition.
Investigators say the mother is also in the same condition, but will face charges if she
recovers.
Passengers of the other car also went to the hospital, but with non-life-threatening injuries.
There we go.
Other news: investigators looking for a gunman after an early morning shooting on the west side of town in Corpus Christi. A 911 call came in just after about shots fired at Rockford and Archdale. Police say they discovered someone fired more than 7 shots into a home.
Police say the 2 men inside were not hurt, but police are not giving us any more details at this time. Call 361-886-2600 if you have any information.
Meantime, we had a lot of rain this week, but one of the biggest problems happened to be short-lived street flooding.
Brian Burns talked to city officials who raided the stormwater drainage system.
Okay, I might want to blend it in for a little. I'm going to blend it in, but this kind of brushy. And I can't even read this. It's like my brush Smith. Right here it says. If you can't read it, just pause the video so you can read it. Maybe you can put it closely. So let's do it.
despite 9 high-water rescues from cars, water that did block roads and streets around the city for short times this week.
I blended it in with blue and purple. That was a different Elsa one. So that was a different kind of Elsa one. That was blue and purple. And I blended it. And it was kind of like together. So I did it like that. So I changed it. Right, Wada?
Mm-hmm.
I like. See my eyebrows? Okay, the next thing we're gonna do. Well, we're gonna do my eyebrows so it doesn't like Elsa, but my eyebrows is almost like Elsa's color. It's just we need to do this so a little back because she doesn't have that deep because that's what I have. So I did a little bit today and it's like I need a mirror right now. Tomorrow I'm gonna do with the dress, right? So we're gonna put it in YouTube again twice because we did show the dress. Because it's nighttime though, it's okay. My grandma is the best all the time. And you can see in through that window, and you can see those kind of decorations over there that my abuela did. It was amazing. Oh, sorry. Over there, that you see those things like for the Christmas tree. It's supposed to be for this, though. You can't see everything. I don't know. What in the world is this keep on doing here? I think I need to do something to my eyebrows today or tomorrow after my video. First, I have to do it because my eyebrows. This one is like whoop. Oh my god! I can see in the mirror. Is that crying? Oh my god. And also, next Wednesday, I'm going to karate, right? I live in Maryland with my abuela and little. I don't know what place we are, but we're still in the same.
Nosotros estamos en Vernon.
Hey, look at my eyeballs.
Vernon, we live in Vernon. Huelo, and Huela.
And let's just say it in Vernon. Exactly.
And you live in Maryland.
And I live in Maryland with my parents, but my grandparents. Sometimes I sleep over in the summer. And last Friday, that was my last day of school. And now poof, summer just came.
Mm-hmm.
I never go to summer school. I don't know why. I just don't know why. Why I'm looking myself in the mirror each time. So we're done with it. I think we will need a little white or purple. Did this have white? Yeah, it does have white. So, but the cheeks is for me is for this blush. This blush. I don't know who did that. This blush and this blush is for that thing for this. So why did it take it off? So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use hold it. So today I'm gonna use this kind of white for the tips of my eye. My eye. Also, eyes is like big. I shouldn't buy that white thing for as my tears.
Waterline.
Waterline. Why do you keep on saying tears? I'm funny today. And okay, let's do it. I think we need to buy a wig for me outside. Or I could do my hair regularly, like just a braid. That's it. Other way.
Cell phone video captures the moment the officer, Michael Boston, shot Antoine 3 times as he and another passenger fled the vehicle after being pulled over by police.
Interesting. Okay, I'm done with that. I'm done with that. And, okay, you see that? You can't really see it really well. See that I'm not going to use this. This is like, whoop. Well, if I use like both of these, then I can't use that. But if I use one, then I can use that if I want. Because I just brought it just in case, like. Okay, what is next? I'm going to show you the dress tomorrow.
The blush.
And the blush. Thank you for reminding me. For the blush today, I'm going to use, again, this is eyeshadows, but I'm going to use it as a blush because I don't have a blush. I couldn't find it, so every minute. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Come on. Open again. 1 second. Did I say 1 second twice? No, I did. I said it 3 times. So this is gonna be. It's gonna be right here, right next to that golden pink, right there. So we're gonna use that for this kind of blush. Is this like a little fat for you? Because it doesn't that much.
That is where Texas senators held roundtable discussions. Oscar, what is the takeaway from this meeting?
A little bit more. I'm gonna put it around.
Well, it seems legislators and law enforcement agencies still need more time to figure all this out. Now,
it looks good, right?
The president signed an executive order that instructs Homeland Security to keep families together, but at the same time, it keeps the zero tolerance policy in place. Now, why is this a problem? Well, zero tolerance means that every parent crossing the border illegally will get prosecuted. And by law,
so the last thing we had to do is my kind of favorite lipstick. Well, you don't know that Elsa got this kind of lipstick. It's like my favorite one. You could read it if you want. I can't. Oh my God! It's always showing. Why is showing? But here, if you find this kind of one with this, and you read this, you could pause the video you want. And then it starts, and this one goes with the A.
You needed your glasses.
V-O-Z.
N. You needed your glasses.
Oh my God. Oh, because I put it like this. Sorry. N. Okay.
Even.
Oh my God, what is wrong with me? Because I put it like this, I put it like this. I thought it was a Z.
This has become such a complex issue that a single visit
So let's put it on. Holy moly, that's too much. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you my outfit dress. It's really pretty with the longest cape. Well, then Willa's gonna show it to you. She's gonna make me stand up, and then we're gonna turn it around and see it. Okay.
For now, reporting live in Westico, I'm Oscar Morgan. Now back to you.
Oscar, thanks a lot. Lots of work still left.
Okay, that's like a little.
Meantime, the Prospera Housing Community Services have received more than $1 million in state tax credits to be distributed for the next 10 years for the renovation of the Samuel Place apartments right here in Corpus Christi. The kickoff groundbreaking ceremony took place this morning at the apartment complex, which is a multi-family housing facility with 60 units.
And all of these
There.
will be stripped down and
I
rebuilt.
got
Developers will spend more than $15
Okay,
million
now we're done. Why I forgot to close this.
Funding for the project is being provided by the federal home.
Now we're done with the makeup today. Tomorrow I'm going to show you what the makeup here. What I was going to do a braid, no wig, and my crown and my one that I got for the birthday party that we did once, and my Elsa dress. Wait, is it 4 stuff? Actually 3 stuff because I put the crown and the wand together. It's blue, and the crown have a little thing circle. It's like, I think pink or purple. I'm not sure.
Show your makeup.
Right here, right in my face. This lipstick is called, I keep forgetting how it comes. This lipstick is like that much showing because I put like the for the face. It's like, it's not that much showing. But it's fine if you buy this. Okay. And if you buy this, this will make your face like Elsa anyways. That's what happened to my face. And Elsa's face, actually have this kind of pink right there. Right in the second one. That's what I'm talking about. Hey. Look at that. And anyways, we need to find a quarter though. So put it. Did you hear the sound? Okay, I think I saw the quarter. Somewhere we have to look closely. Too many toys I put in here and some stuff. Okay, this is a little tricky than I thought so. I found the quarter. That's 25 cents. And thank you for watching my video. Subscribe below and give a huge thumbs up. Anyways, you can see the other one.